How is it going every day? I'm here with Alistair. We're in a new... Is this a new setting? I've never done a video in here.
What?
I've never done a video in this room.
One engine room?
Aye.
Right. This is the engine room.
This is our engine room. As you can see, there's
lots of engines.
Millions of engines. And also this 200 block Cosworth engine with a front diff. So one of the reasons it's in here is we're going to take the front diff off it, but we're also going to rebuild this engine for a project that's coming up. Maybe summertime.
Much excitement.
Much excitement. Aye, we're going to be building a road motor, but we'll get into that in the summer when it's actually happening. So we'll get on with this through. I cut Alistair off in mid-flow there.
Yeah, we might actually finish one.
We will finish.
Dig at the 500.
Aye. The basics are, this is Saturday, so I'm going to come in the morning, do the front diff and the orange escort, and also put some of the bits right on the camel motor that's wanting done. There's just a wee list for that after the track day. And probably strip this down. I'm going to just take the diff off it. We'll put it up in the stand, take the diff off it now, and clean out the balls, and I'm just going to fill them in WD-40 to try and break down some of the rust. It does actually turn. I was quite surprised. Alistair said, "You drove this engine?"
This was out a Sapphire 4 before. I broke 10 plus years ago. 15 years ago.
So it was a running drive.
It was actually my spare engine for my escort. That's what that was.
Aye. No, the only reason the head's off is because Alistair got a fuel motorsport engine built, and the engine went away to be the head. The head went away to go in that engine. On a 2.4 that I've been trying to get off of Alistair for 4 or 5 years now for the orange escort. A 560-70 horsepower, 2.4 with monster torque and all the rest of it.
A V6 with Jag.
What else? But also, aye. That's. I'm not telling you. There's another thing that I want to try and do this summer. We just started 3 or 4 years ago, but with the Ken Blanc thing that he's just released with the Wide Arch escort and all that. I want to do a project that we started years ago, but I need to convince Alistair to do it. We need to finish the 500 first as well, so there's a lot to do. I don't think it was on the crane, on the stone yesterday, maybe.
It does look a bit sad.
It's good that it's still got air in it. Loads of times when people take engines out, they take the air out, and then after they sit about for a couple of years, it just seize up. But when you keep the air in them, it kind of stops it from happening a wee bit. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pull off speedo cable, the distributor, alternator bracket, and just get all the hoses, knock sensor off it. That obviously shows this is quite a late engine, it's got a knock sensor. Engine mount. We'll get everything off it so it's ready just to be like the wee kidney box and stuff. And then flip it over, get the sump off it, get the pistons and rods out it, crank out it, and just have a look at everything, make sure everything's good to go. And then we'll see what we need to order. But look at the movement in it. Oh, it's mint. Aye, so we'll see what we need to order and then take it for there to build this engine. I don't know why I'm excited about building this, because this will probably be ages before this gets fitted into anything, but I've not bought an engine in a while. Just a bit of oil on there.
No, thank you. I'm alright, thanks.
Sure.
I'll worry about the milk.
The milk's fresh.
And the cups. Have you seen the cups? I've seen the cups.
Do you want a clean cup?
I don't think there is a clean cup.
There is? Probably.
Probably.
Here,
If you even marginally bump that, I think you've got an issue.
I'll try and get something.
You cheesy milk.
Told you.
That's why Amber didn't want a coffee.
No, actually, I just try. Is that? Done? I picked the bits out.
You picked the bits out.
The lip falling out here. That's the clip.
Augustus Sclip. What's that one? Knock sensor. Speed 8s. Turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off.
How's it going, everybody? Some bolts need a nightmare. It's the same as the rocker cover.
I just totally.
They're like half a day to get a rocker cover off.
Oof, there's sponge in it.
Does look that?
Does it actually look?
It's been done. And number 5.
It's not been done.
No?
They've all got that same scribble on them.
Right.
What for that one? Smashing. Right, so we'll take these two, we'll actually spin it back out and number them. Take the two out, spin it out, take the other two out. We're nearly there, look at it. All the oil in it.
How old's the oil?
Don't know when to strip that off.
It's been in there for 10 years at least. Well, when was Escort? Last out 15 year. 2004 I stopped racing that, so it's 15 years that's been sitting.
A while. It's officially a while. As you can see, the pistons that are coming out of this are actually quite mint. Obviously these will be getting used, just cleaned up and used. Put a fresh set of rings on, new set of bearings. The bearings that came out of it are actually quite mint as well. I'm quite shocked at how good everything is. Bearings are actually mint. Standard Ford, quite good, but you could actually probably run them again, but I think we'll just put a set of ACL golds in it or something like that, just to future proof it. I'm just going to put them back in now just so everything stays together, but I'm quite chuffed to how it's all looking at the minute. Obviously all this will be getting cleaned up and then new shells, new rings and put back together, new gasket set. Maybe a set of heat bolts.
Do you have anything to say?
Not really. It's all looking quite good at the minute. That's what I was saying to Amber there, I'm just going to get rings and shells. You know, like set. I think that's all we should need. And just a bolt main gasket kit, and that'll let us get this short motor built up. Obviously, we'll get it all prepped and painted and have it all looking good as well. So, but I'm actually mega surprised. The wee inner pulley just like literally slid off, which it's been a long time since I've had that happen with a pulley. Piston's not a route, everything's out. I give everything a wee quick clean off and I've just put it on a box. So I'm just going to go ahead and get the crank out and then that's it stripped. And then it's just like I say, clean it on, see what it's with, but so far so good, everything looks mint, so I'm really quite happy with it. I don't know if I said this yesterday when we started this video, but the engine is not going to be a monster big spec thing, it's just going in a road car. So it will basically be standard bolt main, just like ACL gold bearings, it's a new set of rings, probably put a WRC heat gasket on it just because I rate them, I really rate them. I know a lot of people do like the Group A gasket and different things and all that, but I've always used the WRC multi-layer on the Escort. And we've raced at Croft in the summer and all that last year, 2 years ago, and it was roasting outside and my water temp gauge in the motor was 130, 135 degrees for a full 20-minute race and still in there. Still never had an issue with it. And that was all day we were out twice, 3 times through the day. Same thing, same degrees, never had an issue. So I rate them. So that'll be the gasket that's going on it. They are dear but definitely worth getting. So I'm going to go ahead, pull this out, and then that's us stripped basically. So that's it. We need to get some parts ordered. I'll probably not do. I know I said yesterday I was going to do the diff on the orange escort today, but that'll probably be tomorrow because I've got another couple of things to do today. So that'll probably be tomorrow or the next day or something. We'll do that diff. But this is nearly done. This is exciting. I hope people get excited by this because it's actually a road car for a change rather than a race car, which has been a long time coming considering how many causes are lying about. Well, that's us all stripped. Again, didn't really find anything bad. The mains are actually more worn than the big ends, which is a wee bit weird. But I'll be getting new ones anyway, so I'm not bothered to crank that. Looks fine. Obviously just to get everything checked and then it's ready just to go back together. Just need to get new shells and rings and give this a spruce off and the paint. That'll be mint. But I'm probably just going to make a video of this because I don't know when I'll get round to doing the different escort. It'll probably be tomorrow. I might have a couple of videos going up this week, hopefully. Hopefully it'll be a busy week. Well, not hopefully be a busy week, but it should be a busy week, so we'll be able to make a couple of videos. But thanks for watching anyway, and you'll see this getting put together over the next couple of weeks.